A de jure corporation is a fully incorporated company. To be considered de jure, the company must have fulfilled all of the statutory requirements for properly forming a corporation. An entity gains many advantages from becoming a corporation, such as easier access to capital and limited liability. De jure, meaning a matter of law, indicates that a corporation is a valid legal entity and entitled to hold regular board of directors meetings, issue stock to shareholders, and conduct business. De jure corporations have better access to capital and are granted limited liability under the law, which means that the owners are protected in the event of bankruptcy. However, the paperwork required to become a de jure corporation can be complex, and new companies should seek legal assistance to ensure that they are not exposed to additional liability during the incorporation process.